Okay. Today I will solve only the first exercise. First exercise 1.1 and first sum of class 7. Okay, and all I hope all of you are ready. I hope all of you are ready for doing math class. Take your pen and paper. Okay, good morning. Kinjal, Sanchita, Ankita. Okay, after a long time I am taking your math class. Okay. Okay, first of all, students, if I asked you what is number line, anyone can say what is number line? Anyone can say what is number line? Number line means, okay, I want to check your statement. Yes, okay. So tell me what is number line in short, in very short, tell me. Number line in mathematics. Okay, good morning. Try to answer. Okay, you are taking so much time, so that's why I am just repeating what is number line. Though I have discussed it. Not integer, not only integer. Any number can be expressed. Any number that is rational number also can be expressed. That is fraction 2 by 7, 3 by 7. First of all, number line is a straight line, a horizontal straight line. So what is number line? A number line is an horizontal straight line. Okay, so it's a straight line, it is horizontal, and it is extending to plus infinity and minus infinity. It is extending to plus infinity and minus infinity. This side minus infinity, this side plus infinity. Okay, and a number line is a straight line, horizontal straight line where number are placed at equal interval. So I can say it is 5, it is 10, it is 15. Okay, it is 10, it is 15, it is 20, it is 25. Okay, so interval, the numbers can be presented in number line in an equal interval. What does it mean, that equal interval? It means that 0 to 5 and 5 to 10 must be equal. Okay, and here, and right hand side of number line represents the positive number. Right hand side of the number line represents the positive number, and wait, and negative side, that is that left hand side represent negative number. Clear? Concept is clear regarding the number line. Regarding the number line, I have told you that number line is a horizontal straight line. That infinity is going on, and it is also going on, and placed an equal interval. What does it mean? Equal interval means 0 to 5, 5 to 10. In numerically, it is equal, so space should be, the space between 0 to 5 should be equal. Okay, so this side is positive number, this side represent negative number. Hopefully, it will be, that is minus 5, minus 10, minus, as it is 0 to 5, divide 1, 2, 3, 4. To make it, to divide it into 5 parts, just write down 4 equal lines between 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have divided each into 5 equal parts as it is given 0 to 5, and this distance is 1 plus 1, and this distance, that is minus 1. Clear it is? The concept is clear of number line? Concept is clear to everyone? Sanchita? Abhinandita, Deeptak, beta, this video will be uploaded. Then from the YouTube channel, that time you can copy it very clearly, because just even after some time I can erase, if it is needed I can erase that line. So next time, when after watching that during watching that video YouTube, all the points I have discussed, that what is number line, what is the property of, property means that moving up to plus infinity, minus infinity, left hand side, right hand, what represent this, all the point you should write down in your copy. It will be strong, it will be strong concept if you write all these things in your copy. Okay, clear, completely clear. Okay, very good. Now at exercise 11 1.1, first sum, a one number line is given. Okay, I hope today sound will not fluctuating. Okay, in that number line, some name of the cities are given. Name of the cities are given here. That is one city is here. That is Lahul Spiti, and here is Srinagar. Here Simla. Here OT, and here Bengaluru. Okay, so this is given, and it is also given that number represent the temperature of that cities. Okay, so my first question, after watching that straight line, tell me what is the temperature of Srinagar? What is the temperature of Srinagar? Quickly answer it. So all are the temperature in degree Celsius. All are temperature in degrees Celsius. That is 5 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 15 degree, 20 degree, and here minus 5 degrees Celsius, minus 10. So what are the temperature of Srinagar? Srinagar, that is, okay, Deeptak. Yes, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Very good. Because 0, here is 5. So 0, 1, 2. So Srinagar temperature is 2 degrees Celsius. Plus 2 or minus 2? Sir, it is in left hand side, 0, from left hand side of 0. So it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Next, what is the temperature of Simla? Temperature of Simla, quickly answer it, beta. Very good. Sir, written. No, beta, I have written here. Okay. Okay. When I will discuss the Lahul Spiti temperature, that time I will discuss. Okay. Simla temperature. Yes. Plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 degrees Celsius. It is positive because it is the left hand side, right hand side of 0. Right hand side of 0. Okay. Now next temperature of Bengaluru. Bengaluru temperature, quickly answer it. I am not visible on your screen. Everyone, right? Give your feedback. No, sir. Why? Now it is. Now you can watch me on your screen. Okay. So Bengaluru, that is 21, 22. So 22 degrees Celsius, plus or minus, plus, because it is in the right hand side of the 0. Okay. Next is, that is Srinagar, Bengaluru, Simla is got. Now OT. What is the temperature of OT? Tell me quickly. What is the temperature of OT? It's very good. That is 14 degrees Celsius. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, temperature of Lahul Spiti, according to your book, I have changed it little bit. I have changed it little bit the temperature of Lahul Spiti. In your book is another thing is given. I have marked here the temperature. I have marked here the temperature. So tell me, what is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? Quickly. What is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? Quickly. Sunchita Malakar answer. Okay. Anyone? All of you look at the board, then answer. All of you look at the board, not your NCERT book. Kinjal. Yes, minus 12 degrees Celsius. Minus 12 degrees Celsius. In your book, it is given minus 8 degrees Celsius. It means here. Here it is given minus 8 degrees, but I have changed it at minus 12 degrees Celsius. So temperature of Lahul Spiti, that is 12 degrees Celsius. Now, some question from me. Okay. I have named 3 unknown cities, A, B, C. Just write down in your answer in one comment, that is A, B and C temperature. Not A and another comment B. Don't do that. Don't do that. In one comment you have to mention all the 3 temperature of 3 cities. Okay. So here is city A, here is city B, and here is city C. So temperature of A, B, C, quickly answer it. Quickly answer it. After observing the board, you can. Sir, Sneha is removing Hembota Panda from the. Hey, don't do that. Concentrate on the class. Answer it quickly. Within 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I want to answer your answer. Don't do that, everyone. Okay. Moinak, write it down clearly, beta. No one is giving degree Celsius. Only 11, 12, 13 it is. Okay. So look at the board. So it is 10, 11. 11 is positive or negative? Right hand side of 0, so positive. B, that is 23 degrees Celsius, because 20, 21, 22, 23 positive. And C, 10 minus 11 degrees Celsius, because is the left hand side of 0. Okay. So first part, that A part is complete. A part is completed. Okay. Moving on the next part. That is question number B. Moving on the question number B. Question number B is that what is the temperature difference between hottest and coldest city? First of all, tell me which one is the coldest city among these 5 cities. Which one is the coldest city? Quickly answer it. The city's name. Name of the city. Lahul Spiti. Yes, Lahul Spiti is the coldest city. Its temperature is minus. So according to your book, it is given here. Okay, it is given here, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, according to your book, it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. And what is the hottest city? Hottest city, that is Bengaluru. Temperature of Bengaluru, that is 22. So what is the difference? Anyone can say what is the difference? For find difference with minus. Difference in temperature difference in temperature. So I have told you that difference means subtraction. So 22 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius. So minus 22 degrees Celsius minus plus 8 degrees Celsius. So it is 30 degrees Celsius. It is 30 degree. Wrong. Those who have just look at the calculation. I have told you the subtraction means difference in subtraction. 22 minus. Oh my God, that portion is not visible. Look at the board. 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 minus plus 22 plus 8, that is 30 degrees Celsius. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, next part. 36. Okay. Part C. What is the difference of Lahuel Spiti and... Okay, so many questions. Still 2 questions. Oh, third question. I will solve second question. And C, C, D and E, your homework. What is the difference of temperature of Lahuel Spiti and Srinagar? Lahuel Spiti and Srinagar temperature difference. Quickly answer it. Okay, so difference is first of all minus 8 degrees Celsius minus of, that is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you will get minus 2, that is plus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 plus 2. Minus 8 degrees Celsius and minus 8 degrees Celsius, that is minus 6 degrees Celsius. So you can say that temperature is minus, so you can say difference is 6 degrees Celsius. Difference is 6 degrees Celsius. Got it everyone? Okay. So students, and the last question of today's class. Okay, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than temperature of Simla? First of all, temperature of Srinagar and Simla. What is the temperature of sum of Srinagar? That is minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. So that is 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius. That is Srinagar minus 2 and Simla 5. So sum 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius is not less than 3 degrees Celsius. It not less than Simla, because Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so answer is no. If you take the temperature of Srinagar and Simla together, the temperature cannot be less than the temperature of Simla. Got it everyone? It is clear. It is clear to have... No. Sanchita, look at the board. Minus 2 plus 5, not 7. Minus 2 plus 5, that is sum of minus 2 plus 5, that is 3 degrees Celsius. Yes, actually, statement should be if temperature in Simla and Srinagar together less than the Simla, not Simla is less than 2 together. Simla temperature of Srinagar and Simla together is less than the temperature of Simla. Okay, not clear? Okay, again I am repeating that portion. The Moinak, question is asked that Srinagar and Simla temperature together. So just add it, 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius is less than Simla. 3 degrees Celsius is the temperature less than Simla. No, it is 5 degrees Celsius. Obviously 5 degrees Celsius greater than 3 degrees Celsius. That's why the together their temperature is less than from the Simla. Clear, Moinak? Okay, so today I end this class here. Next part are in homework. Next day I will start from the question number 2. I hope all of you got that point what I have discussed here, and you have enjoyed the class. Also, not feel bored. Okay, thank you everyone.